orange cookies with cake mix are easy and delicious. Just like with all of my other cake mix cookie recipes, I'm starting off with one 15.25 ounce box of white cake mix, to which I'm adding one small box of orange gelatin, 3 ounces, the zest of one orange, 1.5 teaspoons. If you don't have zest, I think you could get away with just 1 teaspoon of orange extract, since 1 teaspoon of extract is equal to 2 teaspoons of zest. I'm also adding 2 eggs and half a cup of oil. I'm using canola oil. I do have some food coloring off to the side. Not sure if I'm going to need it. We'll see. I'm envisioning something that is a very nice orange. So if I don't get quite what I want, as in with the key lime cookies, then I'm going to add some food coloring. But I think these will be delicious. You could get your mixer if you want, but honestly, I think these are easy enough to just use a spoon. I'm going to break up the eggs a little bit, and then I'm going to start mixing. I'm going to try to judge if I'm going to need some food coloring as I mix, because if I don't have to add it, I don't have to add it, but I don't want to mix it too much. So I will let you know. I've started mixing, and I'm definitely going to want to add some food coloring. So I'm going to do 4 drops of yellow and 4 drops of red, because that will give me orange. I'm doing 8 total because for the key lime cookies, for the second and third batches, I added food coloring, but not for the first. And I think 8 total is what I want. But if need be, I will add more. I decided to use 10 drops of yellow and 10 drops of red food coloring, 20 drops total. And I think this is what I want. It's a very nice, bright shade of orange that just screams orange at you. I am going to resist the temptation to make these right away, so I'm going to chill the dough for a bit, and then I'll bring you back. I only chilled the dough for these orange cookies with cake mix for maybe 15 minutes because I want to try them. I've already started putting them onto my cookie sheets. I just sprayed my pizza pans with some canola oil spray. And now I'm taking a 1 tablespoon measure, and I'm doing rounded scoops like this. Actually, it's probably a little bit too much. So I'm doing something like this. I said a rounded tablespoon, and I'm taking my hand in there and putting it onto the greased cookie sheet. My oven is already preheated to 350 because right now there's a cherry pie in the oven, which of course I'll do a recipe video for that soon. And once that pie comes out, I will put these cookies in. They will be in at 350 for, let's see if I can put a couple more on here. 350 for 10 minutes, and then I will let them sit for 5 and then put them on a cool cookie sheet, just like all the other cake mix cookie recipes. I just took my orange cookies with cake mix out of the oven. They were in at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. They were a little bit puffed up when I took them out, but they deflated almost immediately. I'm going to let them sit here for 5 minutes, and then I am going to transfer them to a cool cookie sheet. If you're curious, that is the cherry pie. Video coming soon. Let's take a look at these orange cookies with cake mix. As you can see, They're a great color. They are crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. They have a great orange smell and a great orange flavor. Another success. If you are looking for a quick and easy cake mix cookie recipe with just a few ingredients and you like orange, definitely give these orange cookies a try. Like I said, they taste great, they smell great, and they look great. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.